Thanks, Richard. Looks like we have one more question here. I noticed in your presentation you mentioned process KPIs. Does that require process modeling? And actually, maybe I'll take a quick crack at this, and then Richard, you can weigh in. The simple answer there is that we don't require process modeling in any traditional sense. We're not a BPM type of solution where you have to define a very detailed, granular model. There's some very basic modeling which basically consists of identifying what the key milestones are in a business process. So basically, a milestone is a step along the way that matters to a business user. So if you think about maybe an order to sale process, maybe that's receiving the order, maybe that's approving credit for the person who's ordered the particular solution, maybe reserving inventory, packing the particular product, shipping it, and then invoicing. Those might be the milestones, the key steps along the way. Basically what we do is we identify what those milestones are, and then we can map those to the events that you saw Richard defining. And what that enables us to do using our state engine is to process and calculate those key metrics associated with that business process. So what we really have the ability to do is deliver sort of a holistic view of business processes, even if they're happening across multiple operational systems, without all the traditional headache and labor intensiveness of a BPM solution, where you have to elaborately model and very explicitly define all of the data, all of the information associated with a business process.
Kevin, let me put that in a different way, which is that in a traditional business process management tool where you have to build a model, that model has to include all of the exception cases, all the transactionality, how you're going to back out when a transaction fails. There are a lot of things that need to go into that model. But we're not executing a model. We're only monitoring a process. And to monitor the process, as Kevin said, we have the luxury of saying, give me just a few key milestones within the process, not all of the process details. And what's more, because we're not executing it, we don't have to bring this all under our control. So that unlike a traditional BPM tool where you have to implement a process and all of its steps within that tool to get the benefits, Kevin made reference to our state engine. Well, our state engine can pull data from events anywhere across your network. They don't have to be in the same system. All the events that relate to a process instance, we'll pull them from multiple systems. We'll correlate them to our state engine. We're able to then generate metrics such as how often did I follow one path versus another, how long did it take. But we do all that with a very simple model that's nothing more than what are the few key milestones that you care about, and then we define the metrics based on those. So in a matter of hours rather than months, we can have the minimum amount of a model that we need to get these metrics, and you never have to bring all the components to one system to execute. Thank you, Kevin.
Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. Doesn't look like we have any more questions at this point. Thank you all for your time today. Thank you for joining us. If you do have any other questions that come up or you'd like more information, please feel free to reach out to us directly, or you can contact your Altosoft account representative, or just visit our website and get in touch with us that way. Again, thanks very much, and we appreciate your attendance. Thank you.